Hi guys, welcome to Car Hub View. So in today's video I'm going to be basically showing you what to do if you get a warning light known as ignition defective light. So what will happen is a key logo will come in the top here, and it'll have an X through it as the bulb has there. This cars won't actually come on now because we've sorted the issue out. It'll also come written in there and then it'll go back to there. So what it basically means is that there's a problem with the key in the ignition. This one we're working on is the Audi A5 3-litre Quattro, and the key is just located here. So what we did for this one, if I take the key out and I show you, what we did was the key actually, there we are, the key actually had lint in there. If you look carefully, it still has got a bit of dirt still in there, just not fully out. I know the outside of the key looks like it's got dirt, but it's actually badly damaged. Both the grooves had quite a lot of lint in there, just stuff that's been coming out of people's pockets while the customers had the key, etc. So all we did was just got a little toothbrush, and I'll show you what I mean. We literally just got a toothbrush and we had the key. If I put the key there, and we were just going in the grooves very gently across there like that. And then what we've done is we've done both sides. We got a rag. As you can see, the rag isn't exactly the cleanest of the clean, but it did the job. And then we also put our finger on the rag. So basically wrap the rag round our finger like that. We'll just put it in there and just give there a quick little wipe up and down, not being too harsh because the main control unit is in there to start the car. And then once that's nice and clean, you just dry the key. As you can see, this isn't very clean, but it is clean enough for the light to go off. And we will give it one more clean over before the customer collects the car. And then when the car starts back up, it'll just say, so it says when applying, yep, that was just a start up, and then it's a headlamp, please refuel. Whatever your brake light is out, and there's no light for it. As I showed you when we started the video, it wasn't on anyway because we turned it off. But that's what you would do if yours did come on. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.